Welcome to iBooks Part 3, where we will take a quick review of bookmarking, and then we'll take a look at how to select words or select a body of text and the things that you can do with a selection of text inside of iBooks. So when we left off in Part 2, I just got done talking about bookmarking, and you can see in this particular part of the book I have this page bookmarked. I can go ahead and switch pages here, and I can bookmark as many times as I want to. So it's basically like putting a piece of paper inside the book to kind of reference it later. So I might want to do that here again. All right, we'll come back and look at how we can go back and find all those bookmarks in just a second. I want to do it after I show you how to take notes because they're both in the similar location. So we'll take a look at that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip over another couple pages here just so I can have some good text to work with. Now, I can select a word or a group of words, a segment if you will, by simply double tapping on any one word. So I'll double tap on iPad there, and once I double tap on the word, you can see the choices that I have. I can define, I can highlight, note, search, or share that particular portion. If I want to make this a longer section, maybe I don't just want iPad, I can grab either one of these little bars here on top or on bottom and drag it with my finger, and I can also drag it down and it will select a whole group of text. And then I still have these same choices up here. So for this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. So I highlighted it. Currently I have it set on pink, but right here I can change the color if I so choose. So maybe I want it more traditional yellow type of highlight. And there's some other options in here as well, and I'm not going to go over all those right now, but know that there are multiple options that you can do once you select a highlight. All right, I'm going to select another word just to kind of show you other things you can do. So I'm going to select the word during. I can also define while I'm in here. So I'll hit the define, and it gives you a nice dictionary definition of the word. And then you also have the ability to search the web for that word or search Wikipedia. Another two great options. To get out of this view, I just tap anywhere on the page and it takes me off that definition. I double tap that word again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and take a note on this word. So I'm going to tap on the word note. And when I do that, it pops up and allows me to write some sort of note. So let's be very literal here. And I wrote a note. Again, tap anywhere off of the note onto the page, and it will get me out of there. And you notice to the side, it shows that I have a note. So when I come back to this page, if I tap on the note or if I tap on the actual highlight, it will open up the note so I can reference it. Okay, so those are the basic things that you can do with selecting text, making highlights, and making notes. Now I want to go back and find all my bookmarks, notes, and highlights. So to do that, I go back to the table of contents here in the top left. And then once I'm in there, you'll notice that I have a bookmark section and a notes section. Notes also include highlights. Right now I'm going to go into bookmarks. So here you can see everything I bookmarked in this book, what day I did it, and the unit that it came from. So if I want to go back to that bookmark, I simply tap on it, any one of those, and it will take me to that particular location in the book. Let's go to the notes. Here is the highlighted section that I made today, and then also it also shows you the note that I took. So it shows the highlighted section that I wanted to take a note on, and it shows you the actual note down here. So if I want to go to that location, again, I just tap on it and it takes me directly to that note or to that highlight. Very useful. The other thing I can do is I can email or edit these things by simply tapping in the very top right hand corner the arrow coming out of the box. When I do that, if I want to email, this seems kind of confusing, but you actually have to edit notes in order to email it. So I tap edit notes, and then it gives me the option of which ones I want to edit. So maybe I only want to email this one particular note. And then in the top left, I can share it. Obviously, I can delete it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and share this particular note. So I hit share, and you notice I get the email option on there. So I will go and tap on the email. And it brings up my email, and you can see what the note looks like in email form. So that's how we can email notes or a note to someone else. So that's how we manage our bookmarks, notes, selecting text within iBook.